code space, get right into it. I guess I could look at C++ tutorial. What do we got here? I don't think I need any of that stuff. But so the first thing I'm doing here, let's just see if I can probably create a Makefile. I think that's going to be helpful. So let's do Makefile here. And let's just get a compilation cooking. So let's go here and let's just say clean. And do I have Copilot installed? Let's see here. So, reload. Let's reload this thing. And so I'm not sure why the Makefile is not. Let's see if I can find C++ Makefile. You never forget first time you get made. There you go. Trivial Makefile. Support variables. Boy, this. So let's put this in our README, which is do reference Makefile. Reference Makefile. Now, so the clean RM is rm-rf. So let's start. Wow, this is going to be a complex topic, but let's try a little bit. So if I go up here and let's just get the clean working, which is, let's see if we can get clean working. So objects would be sources. Let's try that. Objects. OBJS. That is a complex separator. And 5. Well, there's none of this available, I guess, because if I go back to the README, let's just do a really crude compile here. Make compile. What are they? Make all. Make all. Let's just say all. Make objects. No, let's just do compile. Let's just say build and we can just put this in there. Let's do make build. So it says no such file or directory. Yeah, so I got a really crude Makefile here. I don't know about this. I think I need to instead clean up the app. Now I don't know what that even means right there, but I do in the .o files. Well, so let's see here. So we got, this is the compiler. Libraries, implicit rules are built in. Patterns, variables. Here's a dirt simple Makefile. Just drop it in a directory. See, that's what I was looking for. And then do make all my app. So we got I like this one. Let's try this one. Let's see if we can play around with this Makefile. Okay, so we got, if I say Makefile, what happens? Oh, and 12. App name my app. App name calculator. Calculator. About that. Nope, missing separator. And this is where things get nasty, is when, so why is that there? Missing separator. Well, that's a tricky one. Is there a simpler Makefile, a basic, we can do this, a simplified Makefile to do that. Shell root C is equal to CXX make all. Let's try that. So let's try this one. And we'll say, well, let's try it actually. Let's just do make all. Ooh, no such root config would be. Now, what is root config here? Root config. New makes it. Would it be? I don't know what that means. Root config, no such file found. Well, that's a tricky Makefile. I think that'll take a little bit of time to get a good Makefile. I think I have to start really. I have to start with rm-rf, and yeah, let's just keep it real simple, and then we can do build, and we can do instead. We can go to our README, and we can do something like that. And so we can say, there we go. About that, we got to make clean. And we'll say all the clean and build. So let's do make all. There we go. Now, what if I wanted to, I don't know, check for some other kind of condition, do something fancy with Clang? I mean, I guess first I should just double check the calculator app. Enter 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so we got that thing working. If I remember the calculator file here, it's really, really simple. And then the header file is pretty simple as well. What if I wanted to do Clang what other options does it have? Let's try that. So do help. Yeah, if I want to analyze, static analyzer. Was there a Clang tutorial? Like if I wanted to analyze the code. Holy smokes, this is a big. Let's try Clang static analyzer. So let's put this documentation here. Well, Clang static analyzer. So say build Makefile. Okay, so if I say, what do we do here? Available checkers. Where's hello world? User docs. It finds bugs for us. That's what I care about. User docs. Overview. So how do I run it? If we'd like to analyze it, first we need to generate the AST file. Holy smokes, this looks tricky. Let's try it. So I'm going to change my Makefile. Do AST. Oh, I like it. Make AST. Holy crap. That is crazy stuff. Syntax only. Okay. I don't know what this is doing, but see how much use that's taking. Wow. I guess not too bad. But okay, so it basically generated the abstract syntax tree, and oh, there we go. And then it makes that file. So where is it though? Why did it not emit? Oh, I forgot to do -o. It just did it the standard out. That's why it was so messed up. AST dump. What does that say? Emit AST. Huh. Oh, automated. Code checker. What the heck is going on here? So if I do that, if syntax only -o is going to be does that work? I say make AST. AST. Emit AST. Delete. And this would be calculator tutorial. Whoops. Here we go. Clean. Let's clean up ASTs as well. And if I say make AST, also let's check that our get ignores is there you go. So don't put that garbage in. So you do that. The next step is to create an index that holds what? Maybe I don't want to do cross translation. On-demand analysis. I just want to analyze my code. Now everything is available. What if you just say Clang Clang's hello world, static analyzer, hello world. How to write it in 24 hours? No, I don't want to do 24 hours. I want to see like a one-line hello world. Clang, what is it? How do you use it? I just want to do a one-liner that shows me There we go. Clang plugin demo. Git clone, git build. Checking Clang. Example C++ Makefile. See, this is what I need to find out, is how people CMake. Add documentation to CMake. A CMake, you build that. Static analysis, that's what I was looking for. Scan build make. Yeah, this is going to take a little bit of time. I'm going to be at the Makefile probably for a bit, but at least I got something working. What I can do is get GitHub Actions working. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's say git status, say make clean, get rid of this stuff. Git status here, add dots, this, adding C++ file. And now let's go back to GitHub and let's get this thing at least compiled. And so I can go to Actions, and we can say New Workflow, and maybe it's smart. Ah, there we go, C with Make. So we can configure this project. And let's see here. So we have C, Ubuntu, configure, make check. Well, it doesn't look complicated. We can just keep it simple, and we can just do this. We can say make make build, right? Is that my build setup? Yeah, make build, make build, make build, make clean. Just say make clean. Just do something really stupid. All right, and let's commit this. Let's see if this thing works. And now, here we go. And I can put this status badge in there. Uh-oh, problems. Already problems. Now, let's look at why it blew up. So, no rule for build. Pretty sure there is. Make build. So, and if we go to here, get all. And now if I go back to this thing, why is this thing not working? No rule to make. But if I look at the code, oh, that's weird. Why is it? Did I not push the changes? That's probably why. Get status. I didn't add the Makefile. Adding Makefile. Okay, this should maybe fix it. Back to Actions. See if this works. Whoa, I got a really super simple make inside of with continuous integration. So that's kind of cool. So I'll put one more. So for lesson 3, I would say, can I figure out to do, how the heck do I get static analysis working for build system? That's the number one question to figure out. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. Status can add. Now we'll try to work on that problem next weeks, adding to do for 2 weeks from now. All right, that's it for me. I'll be back in a couple weeks for this project.